My name is Lupita Gonzalez, and I am the secretary of Gonzalez Fence Company. Here at Gonzalez Fence Company, we provide an array of services such as regular fence work, retaining walls, decks, pergolas, gates, or any other custom work that our customers may desire. Gonzalez Fence Company holds the ideology that craftsmanship should come first and that customers should always be happy. We differentiate ourselves by making sure that Carlos Gonzalez, the owner, is always on site to ensure that quality work is being performed. Prior to starting his company, Carlos Gonzalez worked for another company for 14 years, gathering experience and expertise. In 2017, he ventured out to start his own company, Gonzalez Fence Company. Starting with just 2 employees, he has grown his company and now holds 5 members on staff. Every one of our staff has at least 5 years of experience with the company. A great advantage in having such experienced staff is their expertise in the field, ensuring that they provide quality work. We are not only Diamond certified, but are also CSLB certified, state certified, CSLB bonded, and insured. We proudly serve all areas of Sonoma County, with certain areas of Mendocino and Lake County as well. Some of the fears some potential clients expressed to me is that their ideal fences will not be executed properly. We put those fears to rest by ensuring that there is clear communication between us and the client at all times, so their dream fence is made a reality. So if you're looking to build your dream fence, feel free to contact us and get started.